Want to know how to add collage of images or tiled images in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com, and once you're there, make sure you are under your website's WP admin. Now, once you're under your website's WP admin, you can just simply head towards posts or pages. So once you select any one of these, so you can just simply select an existing post or create a new one. Now once you've entered the editing phase of your post, here on the top left side you should see this plus icon. Just simply select it, and once you've selected this plus icon, you can just scroll down all the way until you see media, and under media you should be seeing tiled gallery right here. So this is your image collage. So you can just simply select it or drag and drop it to the canvas, and now you can just simply select upload right here, upload 2 to 3 images, and you can also change its format of tile gallery. So right here you should see various formats like circles, square tiles, tiled columns, etc. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.